How to play Destiny 1 on PC, 2026. Easy setup guide. In this video, I am going to teach you how to play Destiny 1 on your PC in 2026. Now I know a lot of you have been searching for this because Destiny 1 is one of the most legendary shooters ever made, but it was never officially released on PC. The original Destiny game launched on PS3, PS4, Xbox 360, and Xbox One platforms back in the day, and the game never received an official PC release. So if you are a PC gamer, you might feel left out. But do not worry, because today I am going to show you the legitimate methods you can use right now to experience Destiny 1 on your computer, without breaking any rules or terms of service. Let us jump straight into it. Method number 1 is Xbox console streaming, and this is by far the easiest and most reliable way to play Destiny 1 on your PC right now. Here is exactly how to do it. Step 1. You need an Xbox console. If you do not own one already, you can pick up a used Xbox One for very cheap these days. You can grab Destiny 1 very cheap on Xbox and PlayStation, and you do not need a subscription to play it. Step 2. Purchase and install Destiny 1 on your Xbox. You can buy the Destiny the Collection Edition digitally from the Xbox Store, which includes the base game and all the DLC expansions. Step 3. Download the Xbox app on your Windows PC. Make sure both your Xbox console and your PC are connected to the same home network, preferably using a wired Ethernet connection for the best experience. Step 4. Open the Xbox app on your PC, go to the console connection section and connect to your Xbox. Once connected, you can stream the game from your console directly to your PC screen. Step 5. You can then stream it to your Windows PC and use a tool like Xbox Keyboard Mouse to make mouse and keyboard function. Or simply connect an Xbox controller to your PC via Bluetooth or USB and play that way. Now here is the thing you need to know. There is no fixing the 30 FPS cap, so your eyes will have to adjust. Destiny 1 was designed for consoles and locked at 30 frames per second. That is just how the game runs, but once you get used to it, you will be totally fine. Method number 2 is PlayStation Plus Premium Cloud Streaming. This is a great option if you are more of a PlayStation person. Step 1. Cloud streaming to Windows requires a PlayStation Plus Premium subscription in markets where Premium is available. Step 2. Visit the PlayStation Plus app download page, install any drivers by following the on-screen prompts. Then start the app and sign into your account or create an account if you do not already have one. And connect a compatible controller to your PC. Step 3. Search for Destiny in the game catalog. If Destiny 1 is available in the streaming library in your region, you can start playing it instantly on your PC without downloading anything. Step 4. You can browse using a controller or keyboard and mouse, but you need a compatible controller to play. Sony officially lists the DualShock 4 as the supported controller for PC streaming, though some X-input controllers may work, but compatibility is not guaranteed. Now I do want to be honest with you here. The catalog has regional differences, and the streamed library is large but not identical across regions or over time, so some titles may be console-only or temporarily absent from the PC catalog. So Destiny 1 availability through this method can vary depending on where you live. Always check the current catalog before subscribing. For both streaming methods, you want to make sure your internet connection is solid. Sony lists 5 Mbps as a minimum, but for smooth 1080p sessions plan for at least 15 Mbps sustained and under 50 milliseconds of latency. I personally recommend at least 20 Mbps and a wired Ethernet connection for the smoothest experience. Now let me quickly address something many of you are probably wondering about, and that is emulation. There is a PS3 emulator called RPCS3 that can boot Destiny, and there is an unofficial alternative server called V4NGUARD that has allowed some users to connect and load into the game. However, I want to be straightforward with you. This is currently not recommended because the V4NGUARD servers are not yet fully available for public use, and Destiny is not yet fully playable via emulation. Since RPCS3 emulates the PS3 version, there is no Rise of Iron DLC content available, and performance is currently rather unreliable with the game hitching and stuttering hard. So while it is an interesting project to keep an eye on for the future, it is not a practical way to play the game right now. Now here is your pro tip. If you go with the Xbox streaming method, which I recommend as the best option, make sure you set your Xbox network settings to prioritize game streaming quality. Go into your Xbox settings, then devices and connections, then remote features and set the streaming quality to very high. Also close any other bandwidth-heavy applications on your PC and pause any downloads on your network while you are playing. This dramatically reduces input lag and gives you the closest thing to a native experience. So let us quickly recap your options. Option 1, Xbox console streaming, is the most reliable and gives you access to the full game with all DLC. Just stream from your Xbox to your PC over your home network. Option 2, PlayStation Plus Premium, lets you cloud stream directly without even needing a console in the room, but game availability varies by region. And Option 3, Emulation, is still a work in progress and not ready for a smooth experience just yet. The bottom line is this. Even though Destiny 1 never came to PC officially, you absolutely can play it on your computer in 2026 using these legitimate methods. The Xbox streaming route is the one I personally recommend because it gives you the complete Destiny experience with all the raids, all the strikes, and all the DLC content. If this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you do not miss more gaming guides like this one. And drop a comment below telling me what is your favorite Destiny 1 raid. I want to know, is it Vault of Glass, Crota's End, King's Fall, or Wrath of the Machine? Let me know down below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.